Hi guys, this is Esther. How are you all doing? I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and New Year celebrations. So even me, I went back to my hometown that's in Nagaland, and then I bought some wing bean. This is from our garden. So I'm going to make chutney with mustard leaf sauce. So this ingredient, it is very rare. It is mostly made by Zileng Rong Naga tribe. So this is the mustard leaf sauce. I don't know how exactly this ingredient is made because
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos.
this, but then I bought this from the market, supermarket in Dimapur. So this, I think it is made of fermented mustard leaf. So they dry it, they ferment it, and they boil it, and after that they take out the juice out of it, and then they fill it in a bamboo tube like this, and then they sell it in the market. So I bought one tube. So I'm going to make a chutney with wing bean and this special mustard leaf juice. So let's check it out. Okay, so first we will roast the tomatoes. I'm going to use 2 small tomatoes, but I will add some mustard oil so that it gets cooked fast. Little, not much. Because when you roast tomatoes without oil, it takes lots of time to get cooked. So I'm adding a little bit of mustard oil. And then slice the tomatoes and just roast it. Now it will take some time, so in the meantime I will pound the chili. I'm going to use king chili. Let me pound the king chili now. I'm going to use only 1 dry king chili because I have acidity issue and I don't want to get trouble in the morning, so I'm going to use only 1 king chili, a little bit of salt. I went on, but I couldn't find any. I forgot to bring a fresh king chili, so I have to survive with this. But I think these days king chili is quite expensive even in Nagaland. Let's check our tomato. And then start pounding it. So this king chili is almost done. Now I will add some garlic. So this is the garlic. I love garlic, so I'm using a lot. Garlic is done. Now let's check the tomato again. I think we still need to roast it for some time. So now I think I will cut the wing bean. Now let's roughly cut the wing bean. Actually, all of my friends, my roommates, they are still in Nagaland. They haven't returned back, so I'm alone these days. But I think one of my friends, not I think, one of my roommates, she's coming back tonight, and the other one she will be coming tomorrow. So one of my roommates, she loves this wing bean chutney, so she will enjoy this tonight. I think she will reach around 9:30. I think this tomato also is done. So let me check the tomato now. Oh, it's getting burned. I think this is done. Now let's turn off the flame and add the tomato in the chutney. So this is the roasted tomato. I'm not going to take out the cover because I've already washed it, so it's okay if I add this way also. So let's add it here, and then let's pound the tomato. Oh my god! I think salt will be less. I need to taste this first, and after that I'll add some more salt. There, this is the chutney. Now I will add the mustard leaf juice. So this is the mustard leaf juice. I'm going to use 2 spoons. It's very thick. I think I need to push it from the back. I thought I'll measure it, but it's not coming out, so I just need to push it from the back like this. I ate this chutney once at home, and my sister was very stingy. She was not allowing me to add more of this. But I think this won't be sufficient. I'll add more. But it's quite hard. It's not coming out. Because it's very thick. That's why it's not coming out. Or is it because I kept in the fridge? I don't know. See the thickness. It's very thick. I'll add more because I like the taste of this. It depends on you how much you add, but I like the taste of this mustard sauce a lot, so I'm adding more, but it's not ready to come out. I think this will be enough. This much. Let's mix it. See, the color has also changed. It has become dark. Now I will add this. Our chutney is done, so now I will mix this with the wing bean. There it goes. Oh, the smell also is so good. Now let's mix it well. And then our chutney is done. So this is a very simple chutney. It's not very spicy because I know I added only 1 king chili, so I think I can taste it. Otherwise, you know, I'm not very fond of chili. Now let me try it. Yummy, very tasty, real. Guys, if you don't know about this mustard leaf sauce, please go to Dimapur. You will get it from the supermarket as well as from new market also. It costs 150 rupees per this tube. It's tiny tube, but it's very thick, and they work hard a lot to make this ingredient. So that's the reason the price is, of course, looking at a tube, you might think that it's very expensive, but they do a lot of hard work to prepare this. So don't bargain and go and buy from Dimapur or anywhere in Nagaland. So I'll be uploading videos often, so keep watching and don't forget to comment, like and share. Bye.